Hey guys, have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a personal assistant who knows everything about you and anticipates your professional needs? In today's video, we will dive into the most recent innovations from Google, including the revolutionary Google Vids and Vertex AI Agent Builder, which are redefining content creation and human to AI interaction. Let's explore how these innovations can streamline your tasks and facilitate real time collaboration. Before we continue, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated. Your likes and subscriptions contribute to the project's growth and enable us to bring you more interesting videos. Agreed? Thanks for the support. Let's continue. Google Cloud recently announced that it will be adding more artificial intelligence capabilities to some of its most used tools like Gmail and Google Meet. Furthermore, they're launching new services which include a video generator and a platform that allows you to create custom virtual assistants. On Google Meet, the big innovation is an assistant that uses artificial intelligence to summarize conversations and translate meetings in real time. Oh, I wish I had that during my college years. In Gmail, the new feature is the integration with voice commands. For those working with videos, the standout is Google Vids, a system that allows you to create and edit videos using only simple text commands. Google recently made a series of announcements in Las Vegas, United States during the Google Cloud Next 2024 event, which is focused on cloud solutions. They showcase several innovations that make use of Gemini, the company's artificial intelligence model. Moreover, they announced that for corporate customers, Google Gemini 1.5 Pro is already available, which has a larger capacity for information processing. Speaking of infrastructure, Google is also making tremendous progress. In this regard, they're making two large investments. The first is the launch of a supercomputer intended for business use, equipped with an internal structure and dedicated software for training artificial intelligence models. The second news piece is Google Axion, a new division that will supply AI chips, especially now that the demand for these processors is quite high. Vids, Google's video editor powered by AI. Google Vids is the latest addition to the workspace and is already riding the wave of generative AI, which has been dominating Silicon Valley and the tech sector over the last 18 months. The launch was announced only 2 months after OpenAI unveiled the first outcomes of Sora, their realistic video generator still in its experimental phase, with no launch date forecasted yet, although the CEO already mentioned that it will be released later this year. There are already at least 2 Sora videos on the channel, so remind me in the comments to send you the link, okay? As for Vids, it's expected to hit the market in June. According to Google, the app is focused on professional use. It works as an assistant that edits and produces videos for various purposes, from meetings to app ads. It also offers features like soundtrack creation and narration, as well as image storage and scene suggestions. The system will be integrated with other workspace tools like docs, spreadsheets, and presentations, and can be operated through company documents. For now, the system will work in English and will only be available to Workspace customers, which includes apps like Gmail, Calendar, Meet, and Drive. The idea is to expand access further down the road. Parna Papu, Vice President and General Manager of Google Workspace, commented at an international press conference, quote, "We'll evaluate launching it more broadly based on feedback from customers who will have access to the system. Like Google Docs and other company apps, videos created by Vids can be collaboratively edited by different users simultaneously. Gmail with audio and Google Meet with Translate. Google Meet, our video meeting system, has 2 exciting new features. The first is Take Notes for Me, which automatically generates notes from a meeting. The second, translate for me, can detect 69 different languages and create captions during the call. The note-taking service is available for an additional $10 per month for those already paying for Workspace services. The meeting translator will launch in June of this year. Gmail, the world's most used email provider, is also getting new features thanks to artificial intelligence. The main new feature is integration with audio, allowing users to record voice messages and ask the app to convert this content into an email. Additionally, there will be the option to turn drafted notes into messages ready to send. Artificial intelligence will also be present in Google Chat, which is focused on corporate communication. The proposal is for teams to have an AI colleague capable of summarizing conversations and answering questions. These announcements are part of Google's efforts to incorporate Gemini, its AI model that competes with OpenAI's GPT, into all its products and services. Since last year, Gemini, formerly known as Bard, has begun to be integrated into services such as email, docs, and slides for Workspace subscribers. In these services, AI is represented by an additional icon that can create content and help with completing tasks. Workspace currently has 10 million subscribers, including businesses and individual users. Google expects to expand AI usage to the general public, which would include about 3 billion users in the free version of Work apps. AI assistants for work. For the business world, one of the most important new features is Vertex AI Agent Builder, a platform that allows companies to create their own artificial intelligence virtual assistants. There are 130 different types of robots that work integrated with Workspace, including Gmail, Docs, and Calendar. This service is especially aimed at companies that use Google Cloud. Subscribers are divided into categories such as creatives, employees, and data assistant. For developers, Gemini Code Assist was introduced, an assistant that helps programmers write code. During a press presentation, company executives demonstrated the use of a virtual assistant at an advertising agency. In the simulation, the AI analyzed the visual narrative of a campaign, created materials according to a defined pattern, and produced storyboards and slides for presentations. Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud, stressed that these agents can process and understand video, audio, and text information together, integrating and streamlining different commands. They learn over time and can simplify transactions and streamline business processes. Agents such as DASA in healthcare, Canva, and Carrefour are already using these Google AI assistants. Agents can work with both internal company data and public information obtained through Google searches, processing data in image, audio, and text. In Google Meet, the Take Notes for Me feature is now available, while the real-time translator will be released in June. Vertex Agent Builder and Gemini Code Assist are also available now. The new audio feature in Gmail will be released on a date still to be announced. Leave your ideas and questions in the comments. I would love to discuss the topics of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You can see the next video suggestions above. It makes sense to watch them. See you in the next video. See you soon.